Bullish ARK cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $1.09 and $2.38 by 2030. Market examiners accept ARK could reach $1.09 by 2025. Bearish ARK market cost expectation for 2022 is 19 cents. ARK presentation. ARK plans to make the most common way of making a blockchain more straightforward for people who maintain that should do as such with the assistance of its environment. Clients can redo various components, including charges, cash, and modules, in a way like that of a web designer. The essential money interfacing this multitude of created networks together is called ARK. The ARK cost is down 17.44% as of late in spite of having a wealth of use cases. We should find out about ARK's set of experiences first, and afterward bounce into its cost expectation. What is ARK? Designers can fabricate their own blockchain utilizing the ARK biological system. Interoperability, layouts, and customization are only a couple of benefits of making your own venture on the ARK blockchain. Indeed, even while seeking after a blockchain undertaking might seem troublesome, ARK has made it as basic as could be expected. That was the thinking behind choosing JavaScript and TypeScript as the biological system's essential programming dialect. The ARK deployer instrument is utilized to begin an engineer's blockchain. Information handles that can be altered incorporate name, exchange costs, ticker, image, and others. This offers the engineers the capacity to plan a blockchain that works for them. Engineers can arrange their groups utilizing the device's administration framework. The ARK Programming Improvement Unit, which gives additional customization choices including money determination, is one of the designer apparatuses accessible. The numerous modules and local wallet of ARK can be utilized by projects based on it. The biological system's money, called ARK, has numerous applications. Generally, network clients and engineers use it as a fast and reasonable stockpiling of significant worth. A signed evidence of stake agreement is utilized by Bitcoin, in which 51 representatives are assigned to vouch for or manufacture blocks, by permitting token holders to stake their tokens to pick a representative. ARK lessens the worries of centralization that have distressed different organizations. The ARK organization and its local coin was sent off in 2017. The typical exchanging cost of the ARK coin was 3 cents then. Regardless of the underlying absence of movement, it turned bullish at the finish of the year and encountered its biggest leap forward. Starting in December, the second emphasis of ARK was delivered, and accordingly, its base cost esteem soared. That very day, its wallet was additionally refreshed, improving the representative democratic UI. ARK took off to a greatest worth of $10.91. It couldn't keep up with this greatest cost level, however, and during the next months it fell sharply. By the finish of that year, the cost of ARK had altogether declined from $1 shutting 2018 at 38 cents. Up until its resulting bounce back over 2 years after the fact, it exchanged beneath past normal cost. Jerk's joining of the tipping framework CoinKit in 2021 made it workable for clients to tip designers on the live streaming site by sending them ARK. The environment likewise completed its Market Square highlight in late walk and made it accessible to ARK colleagues, making walk a bustling month. Before long, ARK encountered its greatest cost ascend to $3.98. ARK specialized investigation. Most of forecasters have positive expectations for ARK. As per wallet investors' value projection of the ARK coin, it is an astonishing speculation that will transcend $1 in a year and afterward outperform the $3 mark in 5 years. Tech News Leader predicts that the cost of ARK digital money will outperform the ongoing price tag of $1 this year and cross $3.50 in 5 years. In 10 years, the ARK cost figure is at a most extreme cost worth of $21. Price prediction made a comparative estimate, foreseeing that the ARK coin will exchange at a typical cost of more than $3.50 in 5 to 6 years. It extends that the most extreme cost of ARK cash will be more than $24 in 10 years. ARK is presently worth 24 cents USD. ARK has moved 1.58% as of now with an exchanging volume of $3,901,908. ARK is presently positioned 362 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $40,331,203 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for ARK to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. ARK Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, ARK cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARK will before long outperform 60 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the ARK's overall strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers, taking into account the market instability. ARK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 48 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 53 cents. ARK value expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 84 cents and ARK might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. ARK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 77 cents and a low of 72 cents in 2024. ARK value forecast 2025. Assuming that ARK effectively helps market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the ARK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ARK will be green in 2025. The ARK is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $1.09, with a base cost of 97 cents and a typical cost of $1.02. ARK value forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized examination, we gauge the ARK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.26 by 2026, with a base cost of $1.21 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ARK has a most extreme value worth of $1.34. ARK value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.51. On the off chance that ARK figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $1.58. Neglecting to accumulate the help ARK needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $1.46. ARK value forecast 2028. While ARK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $1.70 and a yearly cost close above $1.82 in 2028. ARK value forecast 2029. By 2029, ARK will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $1.94 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $2.06, averaging out at $1.99. ARK value forecast 2030. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest ARK cost in 2030 is projected to be $2.38 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $2.28. And it is obvious from the review illustrated over that the assessments for ARK are fairly incongruous. There is no far-reaching settlement on potential cost increments or diminishes for ARK. The expected development later on will be impacted by various elements, including declarations, new mechanical advancements made by ARK projects, the generally crypto-biological system, lawful status, and others. We need to tenderly remind you to do your own examination preceding putting resources into Bitcoin. What is the ARK cost today? Today, ARK is exchanging at 24 cents with an all-out market